we have to reduce to the lowest terms given algebraic fraction. So we know that we can reduce only when we have multiplication in the numerator and in the denominator. So first we need to factorize numerator and the denominator. So let's see what we have here. We have c squared, b squared, and we have 2bc. We have a squared, b squared, and 2ab. This remind us square of some formula. Let me remind you, when we have x plus y to second power, this is equal x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So first let me organize our numerator. You have c squared, b squared, and we have 2bc. So first we will put b squared, because we have b first. Next will be plus 2bc and plus c squared. Whatever left will be at the end, we have negative a squared. And denominator we will copy. We have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus c squared. So this is equal. We see now that we have here square of sum b plus c to second power, and I just use this formula, and we have to copy negative a square, and in the denominator we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. So again the same formula, square of sum. We have a plus b to second power, and we have minus c square we have to copy. And now we see that we have here difference of two perfect squares. We have b plus c to second power and a to second power, and we have difference. So let me remind you of this formula. When we have x square minus y square, this is equal x minus y times x plus y. So in the first expression, in the numerator, our x is b plus c and y is equal a. So in our numerator we will have x is b plus c, so will be b plus c, and we have minus y, y is a, minus a. And in the second parenthesis will be b plus c plus a. The sign is plus. And the same we will do in the denominator. Now x is equal a plus b, and y is equal c. X is equal a plus b. So we will have x minus y. So we have a plus b minus c, and we have a plus b plus c. I just used this formula. Now our x is a plus b and y is equal c. Now we see that in the second parenthesis we have the same expressions, only in different orders. So we can change this, because b plus c plus a is equal to a plus b plus c. So we can rewrite second parenthesis. First we will copy b plus c minus a, and in the second will be a plus b plus c. Denominator we will copy times a plus b plus c. Now we have multiplication, so the same expression in parentheses, so we can reduce a plus b plus c divided by a plus b plus c is 1. So we have b plus c minus a times 1 is b plus c minus a. When we multiply by 1, it doesn't change anything, and a plus b plus minus c times 1, because we have multiplication here, is a plus b minus c. This is my solution.